Another?
Pattern.
Right, German pattern, not French. Yeah?
I don't know which one. I studied with my teacher. Because this
one, yeah.
is not the first time that they are a bit confused.
No. So with this...
What is, show me the pattern.
The pattern I've been using?
Of 6.
French pattern.
So, you are using this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if too much impulse on the same place, for who is sitting,
yeah,
is unclear.
I was wondering about that.
So my teacher taught me in this way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear. As I told before, they are all on the same line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And they are egal. This is very important. That they are egal. Because this permits you to change the character of one of them if on the score is sforzato, crescendo. With this ear, you know, if you have a sforzato on the fifth,
Yeah.
You cannot show. It's
No,
difficult. If you have a crescendo and this is going small here, it's not easy to show.
No.
But this, first of all, is clear for everybody. 1, 2, 3. So even if they are reading the code and they just need to know where they are, they watch you. Oh, we are here. So this is the second. But if it's difficult, it's nice. This is comfortable for the orchestra, but give you the possibility to enlarge your expressiveness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I know that it's a difficult change in I know. I was lucky because I started directly with my teacher. So, but I saw with my teacher and with other students who arrived in St. Petersburg that crisis, yes, change something in few times. So I'm telling this you, I don't pretend from you that you change in 1, 2 days, but think about this.
Yeah.
I show you a bit with this pattern from beginning. possibility, please. Possibility. With a bit, you know.
Yes, I feel myself disappearing into the clouds. Too much, yeah.
Think about this, okay?